So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Swiffer Power Mop replacement pads. So these pads you can put in the laundry. They're reusable. They've got like a Velcro surface on one side. This is the side that's going to do the cleaning. So they're made to fit the Swiffer Power Mop. And the Power Mop has some kind of like little Velcro on there. You're simply going to take the pad and just kind of give it a light stamp with your foot. It's going to stay on there really nice. It does a really good job cleaning. I can get on there and really scrub. It comes in different colors, but again, it's a soft material, but yet you can do some scrubbing with it. But the main thing is, when I'm done, I can put these in the laundry and I can reuse them. I really do like that fact. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure them. Width-wise, they're 15 inches and 14 inches. There's kind of a taper there. Then the width is 4 3/4. So again, that's how big they are. Then when you're done, simply just pull them off with the Velcro, and they're that simple. So I really look forward to using these. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.